Okay, let's start. The first letter, letter A. What is this letter? A. What is the sound and action of letter A? Okay. Ant. Ant. Apple. Apple. Excellent. Okay, the next letter, letter B. Letter B. Okay. What are the sound and action of letter B? What's this picture? Banana. Banana. Bird. Bird. Excellent. The next letter, letter C. What are the sound and action of letter C? Okay. What's this picture? Car. Car. Cat. Cat. The next letter, letter D. Letter D. What are the sound and action of letter D? What is the sound and action of letter D? Excellent. Very good. What is this picture? Dog. Dog. Duck. Duck. The next letter, letter E. What is this letter? Letter E. Excellent. What are the sound and action of letter E? Okay. Elephant. Elephant. Excellent. Very good. The next letter. What's this letter? Who knows what's this letter? F. What are the sound and action of letter F? Very good. What's this? Fish. Excellent. Fish. Very good. Fan. Fan. Very good. What's this letter? G. Very good. What are the sound and action of letter G? Very good. Gorilla. Gorilla. Girl. Girl. The next letter, letter H. Letter H. What are the sound and action of letter H? Okay. What is this picture? Horse. Horse. Hat. Hat. The next letter, letter I. Letter I. What are the sound and action of letter I? Igloo. Igloo. Iguana. The next letter, letter J. J. What are the sound and action of letter J? Jam. Jam. Juice. What's this letter? K. What are the sound and action of letter K? Excellent. Card. King. What's this letter? L. Lamb. Lion. Very good. What is this letter? M. Monkey. Milk. Letter N. N. Letter